Hey there, beautiful people, and welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a little gem that's caught my eye, literally. If you're a fan of eyeshadow that's as versatile as it is travel-friendly, this might be just what your beauty bag is missing. Meet the Stila Pocket Play Eyeshadow Palette in Desert Blooms. With 5 silky shades designed for eyes, face, and even highlighting or contouring, this compact palette promises to do it all. It's got both matte and shimmer finishes, with a mix of neutral and bold tones, so you can easily create looks for both daytime and nighttime. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. When you first open this palette, it's clear that Stila isn't cutting corners when it comes to quality. Each of the 5 shades is housed in a sleek, compact case that's ideal for popping into your purse or travel bag. This means you don't have to sacrifice performance for portability. That's one of the main selling points, in my opinion. A multifunctional product that doesn't take up precious space. The formula is blendable, which is a must when you're working with different textures like matte and shimmer. It goes on smooth, almost creamy, and blends effortlessly into the skin. I was really impressed by how easy it was to layer without it getting patchy, especially with those darker tones. The lighter shades, which I used as highlighters, gave my skin a gorgeous, soft glow without being too glittery. Now on to the testing phase. I've used this palette for both everyday wear and more dramatic evening looks. I applied it in the morning for work and did a quick touch-up before heading out for dinner. During the day, the shades stayed in place beautifully and didn't crease, which is a real win in my book. I also wore it in hotter conditions, and I noticed the shimmer held up well, even without a setting spray. There's one thing I'd note. The palette doesn't come with a mirror, which I found a bit inconvenient for on-the-go use. But considering how compact and lightweight it is, it's an easy trade-off for me. The fact that I can use one palette for both eye makeup and contouring is a big plus. So let's break it down. On the plus side, this palette gives you a good mix of neutral and bold tones that are perfect for creating a variety of looks. The formula is blendable, and it's easy to build up the color to your desired intensity. The compact design makes it super practical for travel or keeping in your purse. But the lack of a mirror does feel like a bit of an oversight, especially when the palette is marketed as being travel-friendly. As for value for money, it's a bit on the pricier side, but given the versatility of the shades and the quality of the formula, it's worth considering. You're getting multiple products in one compact palette, and the quality stands out, especially when compared to similar-sized palettes that might not have the same blendability or range of tones. Let's talk about the build quality. The palette is sturdy, and the packaging feels solid, which is important when you're throwing it in your bag. The shades are long-lasting, and I've had no issues with them fading throughout the day, even in more humid weather. When it comes to customer service, I've had a pretty straightforward experience with Stila. They're known for being responsive and helpful if you ever need assistance, and that's something I always appreciate. If you're on a budget and looking for something similar, there are other palettes out there with comparable shades and performance. You might find something a little less expensive, but it'll be hard to match the convenience and quality of this one. That being said, if you're a Stila fan and want something versatile for travel or just a quick pop of color, this palette really delivers. So who is this palette for? If you're someone who loves versatile products that are compact and multifunctional, this is a solid pick. It's perfect for anyone who's always on the go and wants something they can use for a variety of looks without carrying around a whole makeup bag. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so we can keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews. Your support means so much to us. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Stila Pocket Play Eyeshadow Palette, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.